Hi there, and welcome to Storytime with Uncle Bill. We got another North Carolina Education Lottery. We got a $5 scratch off Lightning Sevens. That's 3 games on it. First game up here, just reveal a 7 and win that prize. We got a 5, 15, oh, nope, that's a 2. Damn, little sneaky dude. And a 1. No winner on the first game. Second game, 3 sevens in a row, win the prize. There's 1. Not there. Not there. And not there. Let's see. Can be down here. There's 1. There's 1. Is it going to be it? No. No way to win. Okay, and the prize would have been 500. And the last game is match the winning numbers, which are 29 and 23, and win their prize. First number is 16. Second number is 21. I don't know if I said it, but the top prize on this game is $200,000. 32. 26. 35. 20. 38. A lot of big numbers. 36. 22. And the last number is 34. No winner. Alright. Here's the back if you've never seen it. Hope everybody's having a good day and staying safe. If you can, hit that like button, share the video, subscribe if you haven't. Peace.